Peace, everyone. This video is about laws in credit repair. Okay, guys, I had to make this video because naturally people inquire, people that I've helped always ask me, how in the world does credit repair work? Why does credit repair work? Well, my dear friends, credit repair works because of your favorite word right here, laws. Okay, laws. That's the reason why it works. It is not some magical pill. It is not a conspiracy. It is not some scam. It literally is based on the law. Believe it or not, you have rights. You are entitled to rights. Your ignorance of the law is not an excuse. That's the reason why credit repair works. It's based on laws. What laws is it based on? Fair Credit Reporting Act. It's an act pr- um, that was enacted for your benefit as a consumer. Okay? What is the Fair Credit Reporting Act? It says right here, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, 50 U.S.C. 1681. It's a U.S. federal government legislation enacted to promote the accuracy, fairness, and privacy of consumer information contained in the files of consumer reporting agencies. Okay? This is your boy telling you. I'm not the one making this up, okay? I'm telling you, it's based off of law, alright? It's right here. Looks like, what is this? Okay, so it's coming from the FTC. Alright. Now the FTC, that's the Federal Trade Commission. They regulate all the trade in this country. So they're a legitimate source. Plus, it's a federal law. Okay, you can look it up. It's under we just cited the law under USC 1681. Yeah, USC 15 1681. Okay. Now here's a summary of your rights. Um, the way that it works is okay. Like I said, consumers have just like creditors, the people that you owe money have rights. Debtors also have rights, right? Okay, how does the credit repair work? Now, when there is a debt, that means there's a creditor and debtor relationship that exists. Okay? Now, if you're a consumer and you happen to fall on the debtor's end, meaning that you owe money and it may be derogatory, and this debt exists, what happens is these creditors, they sell these debts to debt collections agencies. And when these debt collection agencies, they buy it for pennies on the dollar, they're the ones that are actually reporting you to the credit bureau. And the reason they're doing that is just trying to, they're just trying to get you to, acknowledge them and, you know, and also pay them. I mean, obviously that's what they're trying to do. Now, the credit bureaus, a lot of the times, they're all the information that they're getting with regards to your credit report is coming from these collection agencies. Now, the reason there's federal and state laws that were enacted to protect you is really to protect you from all these creditors. So not everybody on earth is just willy-nilly just reporting you. I can't just, be like, hey, you owe me $1 million, right? Because then it would be insane. So that's the reason these laws are enacted to protect consumers. And the way credit repair works is that 99% of the times these creditors, they never follow the law. Neither do the credit bureaus. And a lot of people think, oh, the almighty credit bureau. Oh, Zeus. Oh. if they, oh Zeus, oh please, please, Zeus, save me. But nah, they also break laws, okay? Even Zeus breaks laws, okay? I hate to break it to you. Everybody breaks laws. It's only the people that are competent, that are aware, need to recognize that, okay? And this is the reason why our company exists, to help people that may not be aware of their rights, okay? So the way credit repair works is basically it's looking at all the people that are reporting derogatory information against you and make sure that they didn't violate any of your rights. And I can bet you a big, big dollar that they broke something. Okay? Trust me, your boy. I've been doing this for a good minute, okay? Everybody break laws, alright? You're not perfect, they're not perfect, so why should you be the one suffering, right? Okay? As long as you're in honor, you stay in honor, you follow the laws, everything should be good for you, okay? Capiche, capiche? Alright? It's not no conspiracy. It is merely, um, it is merely your opportunity to rebuild yourself. It's a second chance. God always gives second chance. All right. Now there's actually with collection agencies, you have way more rights than owing a creditor. With collection agencies, I mean, there's so many things you can do to put a stop to them. There's laws, FDCPA. Um, maybe I'll make a video on that. It's one of my favorite laws against debt collectors. They don't like it. Trust me. Um, you can opt out where your phone number, it could be in the it could be in the opt out list, and if any creditor calls you after you've opt out, you're in the opt out list. That's 4,500 per call, my friends. It's to the point where right now I would love to get a call from a so-called creditor, because every call is 40 easy 4,500 for me. Even a voicemail, a 2-second voicemail is 4,500. So, but when they figured it out, they stopped calling your boy. So anyway, yeah, 'cause you guys, consumers have rights, okay? This credit repair thing, it's all about enforcing your rights, okay? It's not no conspiracy, it's not no um spooky stuff. It's just straight out cut and dry, black and white law. Okay? Okay, my friends, more videos to come later.